My name is Citlali Ayala. I'm a research professor from Mora Institute, a public research center in Mexico City. The topic of my project, research project in the framework of the PRODIGEES program is the role of digitalization in South-South cooperation. Well, as for the main goal of this research project, I want to demonstrate the extent in which digitalization can contribute to find development solutions through South-South and triangular cooperation. We have a general framework regarding different efforts, for instance, the Digital Global Compact and other national digital agenda and national policies. Therefore, the digital framework aims to connect people to the internet and the digital schools, also to recognize digital technologies as a global public good, to maintain a global digital space available for all, and finally to promote global cooperation across borders and sectors. About the concepts that I've been working with in this research project, I have, of course, South-South and triangular cooperation related to possible new paradigm, a new development paradigm related to digitalization. Also, I have digitalization as a global public good, the exchange of knowledge and experiences, good practices, knowledge production, and as key actors, multi-stakeholder initiatives, diverse partnerships, public-private partnerships for development, for instance, and South-South and triangular development actors. For this, to develop this research, I wanted to base in evidence. I wanted to develop an applied research based in evidence. So I chose initially 3 case studies. The first one is the Southern Voice, an initiative that was developed in India, Peru, and Tanzania to study how digitalization can improve the delivery of public services, data systems, and different challenges in digital inclusions, such as women, financial autonomy, and empowerment. A second one was the Africa Drone and Data Academy, which is a training program supported by UNICEF, the UNPD, GIZ, and the Virginia Tech University, along with the Malawi University of Science and Technology. And this initiative has been working with drones, the use of drones, to support development solutions. And the training is about making, driving, and using drones to collect data, exchange data on health and agriculture issues, to provide specific images for agriculture and food security, delivering medical commodities, as well as preventing infectious diseases and improving emergency preparedness. And finally, Code for Africa, which conducts trainings for journalists, newsrooms, and media organizations, and leverages digital trends, promoting data access and transparency. So with these 3 initial case studies, I have some key findings. For instance, the need for a common ground on digitalization, knowledge management, and development cooperation, increasing horizontal cooperation among diverse stakeholders, such as NGOs, universities, local governments, private sector, multilateral organizations, and traditional donors as well. It is an evidence that the contribution of digitalization to development and sustainability needs more visibility, and that funding is still a challenge. And finally, I would like to point out that digitalization can bridge the digital gap and strengthen South-South triangular cooperation. Why? Well, because it helps mapping knowledge and data needs, mapping development issues, funding long-term initiatives, and foster the engagement of private sectors and other non-governmental actors. So with this, I guess different components and different actions, it is possible to enable effective knowledge management cooperation. So I will keep you updated to this on this research project if you're interested. Remember, I'm Citlali Ayala from Instituto Mora, and I thank PRODIGEES, IDOS, and the European Union for the support to this research. Thank you.